Meaning of egotism.
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 Egotism. Egotism refers to an excessive preoccupation with oneself, often accompanied by a lack of empathy for others. This can manifest as an exaggerated sense of self-importance, a need for admiration from others, and a belief that one's own opinions and ideas are superior to others. Egotism can lead to negative consequences, such as strained relationships with others, difficulty accepting criticism or differing viewpoints, and an inability to establish true connections with others. Ultimately, egotism can prevent individuals from experiencing the genuine satisfaction that comes from a healthy and balanced sense of self-awareness.